I was giving it a bunch of throttle and it just popped on me, and I kind of smelled this burning smell, and now only 2 of the wheels are spinning. I think I boogered up the all-wheel drive. Got a gentleman in a big 4x4 pickup who might be able to help get me out. That's pretty sick. Oh, I'm about to go for a ride. Oh, we're doing it. Thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Hey, you too. That pickup truck was a monster. If it wasn't for that, I would have been here for a long time. Oh, it is nasty. Oh.
Oh, the car's smoking. I'm so glad you're home and safe. I was worried about you.
Yeah.
Look at the car, it's smoking.
Yeah.